Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys, we're going to review a product that every one of you needs to have if you have more than one car. If you let your car stay for more than a week without driving, we will explain why, how a simple device like the Hulkman Sigma charger guys can pay itself off in practically guys no time, and we will explain why. We're going to review it today, put it to the test, but before we start, let me just tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, all that. Why we do that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to buy guys the Hulkman Sigma battery chargers, maintainers, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So what is that guys? Let's say you have multiple vehicles. As you know, we have more than 12 cars in the garage and we constantly guys have dead batteries. I'm not kidding. You think I'm exaggerating? Check what we have here. 4 batteries right now being maintained by Hulkman battery maintainer and battery charger. So we're going to review the Sigma 5 today. They have different sizes. Sigma 1, this is the 1 amp, this is the 5 amp starter, battery maintainer. It's not a jump starter, it's a battery maintainer. And you have the cables that you can attach actually, okay, to your battery terminals, and you can have a quick connection where you just plug it in so you don't have to always hook it on and off. It's an amazing device. Why? Let us explain now. So let us guys explain about the charger. Okay, this is the Sigma 5. Now that's a universal automatic battery charger. It's a smart maintainer that actually guys uses a 9-step charge optimizer, so it extends the life of your battery. It has a special function that's a super battery repair. We used it and increased the battery capacity by 25% on a really old battery. We have the video on the channel. Can you repair that battery? It's practically water and dust resistant. Amazing guys device. It comes with a wall mount kit as well, so you can just mount it to the wall, and it has the holders, okay, right here for the battery clamps as well. So let's go ahead, okay, explain how we use it on our Ford Mustang that we do not drive so often during the winter months. So we're going to show you guys how we hooked it, what our thought about it is, and what we think about it. So this is guys the Mustang that we do not drive winter time, and we have it plugged into the charger. You can see we have the cables practically connected right here to the battery. So how easy and accessible that thing is. Okay, you just press, okay, and let's go ahead. I cannot do it with one hand. You need to press right here, okay, and just disconnect it. All we have to do is install the cap right here so you don't get water. All we have to do when you do not drive the car, okay, you just go ahead and plug it in. This is guys the charger right here. Check this thing out. It's connected to 12-volt lithium battery right now. You have the different options right here. Right now it started charging automatically, and it will show the state of charge as well. The battery is practically full. It's been plugged into it for a long time. You will have guys, okay, different modes, 12 volt, 6 volt, you have lithium, AGM, all kind of batteries guys. It's a 5 amp charger, so it's amazing, and you have the battery repair function as well. But this is definitely a device that can extend the life of your battery, because if a car battery dies guys, even just one time, that can kill a car battery. And nowadays car batteries are expensive. For instance, BMW, Porsche, Mercedes, the multiple ones, even the Ford, the new ones, they require battery programming when you replace it. So that visit to the dealership can cost you close to $1,000 guys, just replacing the battery itself, programming, clearing codes and things like that. So a device like that is a must, because if the battery dies, you're going to get multiple lights on. You have code stored in every computer system in your car for low voltage. Some of those guys that we work on, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, they may have up to 40-50 different computing systems. That Mustang have about 25, I think. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.